Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, as Apple is seriously working to introduce Apple Foldable smartphone though, Apple has yet to officially confirm the existence of a foldable iPhone. The reports and rumors surrounding its development certainly suggest that Apple is exploring this technology. However, with the recent news of the launch being delayed, it could be another 3 years before we actually see a foldable iPhone hit the market. This delay in the launch is reportedly due to various factors, including the need for major component suppliers to meet the original schedule. Despite this setback, Apple is said to be actively working on the project, even redeploying employees from the Vision Pro project to contribute to the development of the foldable iPhone. In terms of other foldable devices in Apple's pipeline, analyst Mrnewmobile has mentioned a 20.3-inch MacBook with a clear development schedule, set to begin mass production in 2027. This suggests that Apple is exploring multiple avenues when it comes to foldable technology. Another reports indicate that Apple is testing foldable panels from Samsung Display and LG Display, with sizes varying from 7 inches to 8 inches. This suggests that Apple is not only considering a foldable iPhone but potentially a foldable iPad as well. However, no specific timeline has been provided for the development and launch of these devices. Overall, while the concept of a foldable iPhone is exciting, it seems that we still have quite a wait ahead of us. With the launch potentially being pushed back to Q1 2027, it could be another 3 years before we see the first foldable iPhone from Apple. As always, it's important to remember that these plans are subject to change, and Apple may choose to alter its timeline or even scrap the project altogether. Only time will tell what the future holds for this technology. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. One, peace out.